What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We've got another video for you guys today. This is officially the first modification for the newly acquired F30 335i that I purchased, and we've got a little unboxing video for you guys. Let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got here, guys. Obviously it's a carbon fiber piece, front lip, and looks to be pretty nice. So this is actually an M Performance style front lip in full carbon fiber, and hopefully it goes on okay. Figured I'd give you guys more of a close-up of this lip here. The weave looks awesome. And again, this is the M Performance style carbon fiber front lip, so it's got the splitters and it's got the lower splitter that goes all the way across the bottom. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And it also came with some mounting hardware, so that's awesome. And it looks like it's in a BMW bag. So really happy about that. Quick shout out, I want to thank JHP Dynamics. This is their Instagram page. Definitely go follow them. That's where this lip is actually from. So many people in the F30 community seem to be really happy with their products. So again, it's JHP_Dynamics, jhpdynamics.com. Definitely go check out their pricing. It's awesome. And the owner there is actually really awesome and super nice, very communicative. And yeah, so far it's been a good experience. Let's hope this thing fits nicely. Here's one more walk around for the carbon fiber lip from JHP Dynamics. This is a 2x2 carbon weave, and it's gonna look sick.